weather, it's so-so. I don't see sun. It's a little bit windy, but that's all right. I'm hungry and it's time to cook. All right, let's go. Okay guys, today, look at that, how beautiful. All right, today I'm gonna make sausage and pepper on the barbecue, guys. All right, it's gonna be delicious. And guess what? Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Okay, guys. Here I have 2 packages of sausage. I have hot sausage and I have sweet sausage. All right, so it's 2 packets. And if you guys don't like hot, just don't use. All right. I have 1 teaspoon of Italian season. I have 1 teaspoon of thyme. I have 1 teaspoon of oregano. All right, guys. Oregano, that's right. And I have 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. All right. And I have here 1 yellow. See, guys, the color? 1 yellow pepper. Yellow, no, yeah, yellow pepper. 1 orange pepper. I have 1 green pepper and 1 red pepper. All right, guys. That's how you guys have to cut, right? Like that. And these I have 1/4 cup of olive oil, and I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. All right, if you guys don't like black pepper, just don't use. All right, and I have 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. All right, but if you guys don't like hot sauce, just don't use. Okay, guys. Also, I have 3 red onions. All right, guys, 3 red onions, and also I have here 2 Italian bread. All right, this Italian bread I'm gonna cut in the middle, and I'm gonna make 4 sandwiches. All right, and here I have a 1/4 cup of water. All right, I have a 1/4 cup of water. All right, let's start this. Okay, guys, and I'm gonna make this sausage on the barbecue. All right, but here I'm gonna make the preparation. I'm gonna make here. All right, so I'm gonna start first with my olive oil. All right, it's preheat. All right, just put in the medium. That's good. All right, let's put olive oil. Looking good. Second, also I have here, I forgot to say that, I have 6 cloves of garlic. All right, finely chopped. All right, so that's will be my second shot. All right, a little bit higher. Good. Okay, guys, my garlic is ready. All right, my garlic is ready. Now we're gonna go to the next step. All right, so my next step, I'm gonna go with my red onions. All right. Very good, guys. Now, my peppers. That's right, guys. That's where the color meets together in the flavor. All right, guys. Whoa, that's looking good. Looking good, guys. Let me stir a little bit. Look how beautiful it looks. The color and the flavor comes together, guys. All right. Very good. So, my salt, kosher salt. All right. I have here my oregano, my thyme. Very good. My Italian seasoning. Very good. Here I have my black pepper. All right. And I have here my hot sauce. You guys can use any hot sauce you want, right, guys? Very good. All right. Looking good. Looking good. All right. Good. Now, have to be cooked. All right, and I'll let you know exactly how it's supposed to be. Alright? So, see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys! Alright, time to check. Ooh, it's looking good, guys. Look at that. Wow! That's beautiful. Alright. Very good. Alright, now it's time for my water. Alright? 1/4 cup of water. Very good. Stir a little bit. Alright? And let cook. Alright, guys?
You got
Alright, guys. I see you in a little bit. Alright, guys. Time to check again. My peppers and my onions. Alright, very good. It's looking good. It's getting there. Alright, guys. So now my peppers and my onions is getting there. Alright? Be ready very shortly. Alright? So now it's time for the sauces. Alright, guys. Let's cook this baby. Alright, let's go. Follow me. Okay, guys, let's cook this baby. Alright, my barbecue is preheat. Alright? So, let's do it. Whoa, that looks good. Very good. Right? Good. Hey guys, see you in a little bit. Right, guys, time to check. Right? Oh, that looks good. That looks very good. Time to flip. Alright. So, right. Looking good. Looking good, guys. Alright. Very good. Alright, guys, I'm gonna leave it here for like 5 more minutes. Alright, now I'm gonna check my onions and peppers. Alright, so see you guys in a little bit. Oh, right. Okay, guys, time to check my peppers, the onions. Now it's almost ready. I need to dry. This has to be dry. Okay, a little bit dry. Alright, so the water has to dry, and I say it's gonna take at least 5 more minutes. Alright, and I see you guys in a little bit. Alright, guys, my sausage is ready. Alright, my pepper and onions is almost ready. Alright, but now I have here with the preparation, I have 1 cup of ketchup, ½ cup of mayonnaise, and a 1/4 cup of mustard. Alright, you guys can use any brand you guys want. Alright, so now it's time to bring this bread to the barbecue to warm up. Right? Follow me. Alright, guys, time to warm up this. Right, you guys can see my sausage is ready. Alright, so my bread I'm gonna leave right here. Right, this I'm gonna leave right here, and this one over here. We'll be ready like in 2 minutes. Alright, see you. Alright, guys, now it's time to mix the ketchup. Alright, looking good. Very good. Now my mayonnaise. My mustard. See, guys, the color and the flavor comes together. Alright, I love that. Very good. good. Now, you're gonna mix it up. Very good. Good. All right. Looking good. Okay, guys. See you guys in a little bit. Hey guys! All right. Very good. All right. So guys, show you guys the final product. All right. This is my final product. I made 3 sandwiches. You guys can see that. It tastes delicious. Delicious, I'm sure. And we're gonna let you know too. Right? So I left one here so to show you exactly how to do it. Okay? So this is my sausage. This way. Right? It's looking good. Yep, yeah. Alright. This is here. Yeah. Right? And I'm gonna leave these out. Alright, so now what we're gonna do. This is the onions and the pepper. Okay. Put a little bit here. It's left over a little bit. That's right. And this is the ketchup, the mustard, and the mayonnaise. Alright guys, it's looking good. Very good. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to wrap. Alright, wax paper, right, like this. You have to get this end here, very easy to do it, end to end. That's it, end to end, guys. That's it. See that, how simple? So now, what you do is, get the baby like this, put in the top, this, a little mess, take the other one like that, right? And the leftover here, you fold it like this. Alright, see guys how it looks like, and I'm gonna let you know how this is because I'm very hungry, guys. I am very hungry. Guys, very good. I'm telling you. This is a big sandwich. Hey guys, I'm sorry, but all right, very good guys, delicious. All right, but don't be afraid, guys. This tastes so good. It's melting all over my mouth. All right, and I'm hungry. All right, guys, you guys have a good weekend, right? Love you all.